That was a decision that you made. You understood the consequences of bringing that loaded gun to an armed robbery. However, I understand that you are taking responsibility. You are expressing remorse. You are entering this guilty plea because you wish to spare the family of Miss Beller and all the other victims. Don't want to minimize what all the other victims of the crimes that you committed also had to suffer that night, and I'm sure continue to suffer. Because you are choosing to enter a plea and move forward today without having to put those individuals through the additional trauma of a trial, I feel that you are entitled to a degree of mercy. And so therefore, I am willing to accept the negotiated plea that was worked out between your attorney and the state. As to count 3, felony murder, I will sentence you to life in prison with the possibility of parole. Counts 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 will be vacated by operation of law. Count 12, armed robbery, will be merged into count 3 for the purpose of sentencing. Count 13, armed robbery, I will sentence you to 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. Counts 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, aggravated assault. On each of those counts, I will sentence you to 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. Count 19, kidnapping, I will sentence you to 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. Counts 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, false imprisonment. I will sentence you to 10 years on each of those counts, concurrent with count 3.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Would the, I beg your pardon, would the false imprisonment regarding Ms. Beller merge with the kidnapping? It would seem like it would.
There's the additional element of,
Kidnapping.
but it's alleged as kidnapping with bodily injury. So there is that additional element that is required in kidnapping. Does the state have a position on whether or not counts 20 through 24, excuse me, whether or not count 20 specifically merges for the purpose of sentencing into count 19?
Yes, Your Honor. The way that we negotiated what Mr. Bailey was doing with the count of kidnapping, so which makes him eligible for the minimum of 10, the maximum of 20 sentence, instead of a life sentence for kidnapping with bodily injury. So he would, like Your Honor, announce 20 years for kidnapping, and I would agree with the defense counsel that false imprisonment, which is count number 20, would merge into count 19, Your Honor.
Okay, and so the record is clear. That's fine. I agree. Count 20 will merge into count 19 for the purpose of sentencing. The other false imprisonment counts 21, 22, 23, and 24 pertain to the other 4 victims in this case, and so those counts do not merge.
Yes. And the kidnapping count is to kidnapping, not kidnapping with bodily injury.
I understand. All right. Counts 21, 22, 23, and 24. I will sentence you to 10 years to serve concurrent with count 3. Count 25, burglary in the second degree. I will sentence you to 5 years to serve concurrent with count 3. Count 26, smash and grab burglary. Mr. Body's 20 years.
Yes, Your Honor.
I will sentence you to 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. 27, hindering a person making an emergency telephone call, I will sentence you to 12 months to serve concurrent with count 3. Count 28, hijacking a motor vehicle, sentence you to 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. Count 29, armed robbery, I will sentence you to 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. And count 30, aggravated assault, 20 years to serve concurrent with count 3. I will accept the nolle pros on counts 1, 2, 9, 31, 32, and 33. Mr.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Bailey, your attorney has represented that you are hopeful that you will make something of your life, and once you mature and grow into adulthood, that you will make better choices. I certainly hope that is true. After you have served this life sentence, it is the court's hope that you will be able to re-enter society and be a productive member and not continue making the kind of choices that you made in committing these crimes that led to the unimaginable consequences. However, I also hope that you will spend every day of the remainder of this sentence thinking about what these choices that you made, what kind of harm they did to the Beller family, to the other victims in this case. And I hope that you will never forget that, and that that will be your motivation for making different decisions in the event you are released after serving this life sentence. All right, that is the sentence of the court. I will impose it as stated.
We're square on the habeas and stuff, right? And
Yes.
an appeal.
In the event that the sentence is not finalized pursuant to the appellate rules, I understand you've spoken to your client about any appellate deadlines he would need to follow.
Yes.
So in the event there's not any appeal of this guilty plea, and the sentence is finalized, yes, the habeas deadline would start today. In the event there is an appeal, once that appeal is finalized and the remitter is returned to the Superior Court, that is the deadline upon which the habeas deadlines would begin.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Good luck to you, Mr. Bailey. All right, we'll take a 5-minute recess, allow counsel to speak to their clients, the remaining 3 defendants in the courtroom, and then I will see if there are any updated announcements. Good, all right, 5 minutes. We'll be back at 10:56.
Let me go join the others. I'm not sure. Does that work?
All right. Mr. Body, we'll leave that down here in case. We're doing it more.
Hey, Joe. Okay. See you.
Think you're gonna be. I'm not even worried about it.
Oh, maybe. Will. Maybe. I'm not sure anything. I'm not down here. Yeah, I'm left, basically behind. Yeah, I like the change. Yeah, I mean, I like.
Good, thank you. We all.
Where she got It's an article that.
I will. That's the thing. Okay. I'll jump on the call you.
How are you?
Thank you. Yes, sir. I know you guys. Nice to meet you, Curtis. Be careful.
Remain seated, court comes to order. Remain seated, court comes to order. Once again, remain seated, court comes to order.
Did someone approach? Did you approach?
Can we approach before they come?
Yes. Can we hold the defendants? You stay at.
There's a one question. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Listen. Correct. We're talking.
These parts.
Minutes. Because we have jurors waiting and, thanks. You're ready to do your, okay. You have 10 minutes. Go back. All right. Defense counsel has requested a few minutes more to confer with their clients. I'm giving them until 11:15.
In the kitchen, you know, when we're so- Yeah.